guys, Ultimate Toy Collector here. So I just got this package a couple days ago, and this is from my friends at Playmobil. And if I had to guess what was in the box, I would say it's something related to DreamWorks Dragons. And I think they want me to unbox it. Not sure, but I'm pretty sure they want me to unbox this. So thank you, Playmobil, for sending it over. You guys are awesome. And let's see what we have here. So, whoa. All right, so this is Playmobil's new Dragons license. And this is Hiccup, I believe, and Toothless. And this is a pretty cool set. Let's take this out. Alrighty there. So here, this is our new play set from Playmobil. It's a 16-piece set. Looks like this actually has some lights in it. Pretty cool. The box is actually pretty large. And we got our figure there. If we turn it to the side here, we see our dragon. This is the sequel to How to Train Your Dragon. This is everything that comes in the package. Yes, I was right. Working lights. Says battery is not included, but you only need one AAA. So that'll be pretty easy. And it looks pretty simple to put together. So how about we just open this up. And we're just gonna dump this out. So there we go. All right, we're gonna have to put some of these together. So let's put it together. So here's our Hiccup and Toothless put together. Comes with a nice little instruction booklet here. Right here, obviously, you see it lights up. Very easy to put together. It's literally 16 pieces. And it's got a cool little rocket launching or flamethrower action. Obviously, he's a dragon, so he doesn't have rocket launchers. And he's got a little hang glider. So, and it comes with a cool little booklet so you see all the other cool little things that Playmobil has. So, it's got lights right there. That's one of the coolest features, I think. I was playing with that myself. All right, now we got our guy here. We got a little hang glider. You can switch his hair from the little combed over Justin Bieber look to the old school Playmobil hair that will snap into his helmet. All right, and so I want to play with this for a second. So we're gonna load this in his mouth. Now, just for all the moms out there, Christmas is coming up, and I don't want you guys to be like, you're gonna shoot your eye out with this thing. These are rubber tipped they're not going to put anybody's eye out. So, but here's our Toothless. And if you kind of point them at them, looks like the way that you use the flamethrower function is to cock the head back. So I'm going to try it. Let's see. Yes. I think I found a new favorite toy. All right. Let's do that again. See how accurate we can get. All right, so we'll line them up right there. No, let's try this one more time. All right, so you have to pull all the way back on the head in order to make it come out. So put it in. You hear it snap, mouth closes, and pull all the way back. And there we go. I love this toy. It's phenomenal. So let's take a look at it real quick. I don't want to get all up close on you, but you see it's pretty long. Got a little tail. It's solid, pretty. It's not heavy, but it's solid. The wings do move. You got your light up function up here. You can turn it on and off. And then on the back of the tail, we had to put this piece on, but very easy to put together. The only thing that required a screwdriver was the light function inside the tail. All right, so, and right here, you can sit him on the top of his dragon, like so. He's got a little flame on sword. Now, well, first, let's do this. We're gonna take his hair off. We're gonna put this one on. Snaps on easily. Helmet goes down like so. All right. And let's see what we could do with this little glider here. So he can go on his dragon and then jump off and hang glide down. So I think this is pretty cool. I don't know about you, but pretty cool little function we got here. And remember, you load him in his mouth like so. Whoa. Let's get that in there. Looks like his tongue if you don't push it in there. So in my opinion, this is an awesome set. So what do you guys think? Playmobil is doing some big things. Ghostbusters, Dragons, and all the classics that we've come to know over the years. I'm definitely looking forward to see what they got coming out. So thank you guys. Thank you for checking me out. Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, The Ultimate Toy Collector. Like the video, share it, leave a comment, let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you think about these new Playmobil sets. And until next time, happy hunting.